One of the biggest issues that those of us who have low porosity natural hair that is also type 4B4C face is that a lot of times the products we use on our hair can just sit on top of the hair strands without really penetrating into the hair strands and feeding nutrients into the hair. Because of this, I started to look for deep conditioning masks that I could make at home, and this particular mask is one of the best ones I have ever used. You only need one main ingredient, and that is oats. I start by pouring my oats into a pan. I used about 50 grams of oats, and then I just added water to that. You're going to cook this as if you want to prepare your oats for breakfast, but you're not going to eat this. You're actually going to blend this into a paste. When I tell you this is one of the best deep conditioners you can ever use on your hair, I am not even kidding, and I need you guys to try it. Once you try it and you come back, I want you to comment on this video and let me know how it went for you. Oats doesn't take long at all to cook. Once I am done cooking, this is what it looks like. You should have a paste like this. You don't want your consistency to be runny, so you're not going to add too much water. It should just be thick like this. Now I'm going to take this off the fire and I'm going to add some cold water. I didn't wait for it to completely cool down. Instead, I used cold water because I had to wash my hair almost immediately. But if you have some more time on your hands, you can definitely allow it to cool down. You have to note that the longer you leave your oats in the paste form to cool, the more it's also going to thicken. So you can already see it wasn't this thick when it was on the fire, but as I took it off and it started to cool, it became thicker. That's the way that oats is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the cold water to cool down my very hot oats, and then I'm going to turn all of that into my blender and blend it into a paste. After blending the oats completely, I'm going to strain it. Oats has particles because of the fiber, and you don't want those particles in your hair. For every mask you do that is not very smooth after blending, you have to strain it using a cheesecloth or a very fine sieve, or you can use something like these wig caps that are very fine. You know, the ones you put over your head to protect your hair before you put your wigs on. Those are the ones I use to strain if I don't have cheesecloth. And that's it. So for the water that I'm going to actually add into the oats, that's the cold water. I didn't add in too much. Remember I said you don't want a runny consistency because it's supposed to be a deep conditioner. So you don't want it dripping all over your hair, your face, your body. Just add in enough water if you use this method. Add in enough water to decongeal the oats and to give you a consistency that's going to be just perfect after blending. And that's what I did right here. So I'm just stirring it. You can see the oat is already lumpy because it was starting to solidify or get more solid as I left it out to cool. That's just the way that oat is, so you have to expect this as well. I'm sure a lot of us are very familiar with oats when we want to prepare it for consumption. I'm also sure you didn't know that you could actually use this as a deep conditioner. Let me even say, I have my hair growth workshop coming up in the month of June, and we have just started our May cohort. We finished April cohort. I'm hosting the hair growth workshop every month now. The first link in the description box contains all of the details. I'm going to update the link so you can access it. This is my hair growth workshop where I teach you how to navigate growing your hair. So whether you have low porosity hair, especially those with low porosity natural hair, you can sign up for this workshop, learn everything you need to grow your hair comfortably from home. Also learn the product you're going to make. You're going to learn how to make shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner, hair growth butter, hair growth oil, and hair growth spray. Same things that I use to care for my own hair at home. I have it in my ebook that is going to be the handbook for this workshop. So make sure you tap that first link, gather all of the information, and then make sure you sign up to join us. The entire month of May is going to be open for registration against June so that you can join us in June. And that's it. Very, very helpful, very beneficial. Everybody that joins always comes back with positive feedback and good results. I love it so much. Now let's break down some of the amazing benefits of oats as a deep conditioner for hair. Oats as a deep conditioner provides intense hydration for your hair and scalp. It strengthens the hair strands. It soothes itchy and irritated scalp, and it promotes overall hair growth by nourishing the hair follicles. Now you may be wondering what it is about oats that makes it provide deep and intense hydration to the hair. Oats are rich in beta-glucan and B vitamins, which act as humectants, meaning they help to pull moisture into the hair and they keep that moisture locked in, which in turn makes the hair soft and very manageable. And when we say oats helps to strengthen and repair the hair, oats contains protein and omega-6 fatty acids, which help repair split ends, increase hair elasticity, and reduce excess breakage, shedding, or hair loss. Oats are also very amazing and beneficial for the scalp because they have natural anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that calm dry scalp and even help to treat or reduce dandruff. Another really good thing I like about oats is that oats help to reduce excess product buildup from the scalp and even the hair, meaning that your scalp and your pores will be less clogged from products that you apply, and your hair and scalp will be able to enjoy the benefits of things like moisturizers, oils, and creams, which are meant to moisturize the hair, keep it healthy. All of this without stripping the hair of nutrients or stripping the scalp of nutrients. And my deep conditioner is almost done. This is what it looks like. This is just like an oat porridge, but without all of the excess fiber that you're supposed to consume. So this one is good enough for the hair because when you apply this to the hair, you won't have all those fibrous particles in the hair that are typically difficult to clean out or rinse out. And next, I'm just adding in a few drops of oil. I added a few drops of tea tree essential oil for that extra soothing that my scalp needs. And then I added some coconut oil. I always have coconut oil in the house because I love it so much for my hair. It works really well for my low porosity hair. Another oil, this hair growth oil, is amla oil. I also always have a bottle at home. I added in a cupful of that. Remember, the star of the show here is the oats, so I didn't want other products to overwhelm the oats. And last but not least, but completely optional, I added some palm oil. Palm oil contains fatty acids and other nutrients that are incredibly beneficial for hair. Here in Africa, we always consume palm oil and we add it to a lot of our meals. Very nutritious. These are the kinds of things you need to be consuming if you want to be healthy inside out. Not in excess, of course, but just in moderation. So after I added all these things, I stirred up my mask very well, and you can see that beautiful, thick, creamy, rich consistency. To use this, I just apply it to my hair before I shampoo because of the oil. So I apply it to my hair, I put on my heating cap, and I let it sit for just 10 minutes before I go in to finish my wash day, shampooing, conditioning, and whatever else I'm going to be doing. So look at this consistency, and I do this once every 2 weeks. I personally don't do it all the time, but if you're just starting out and you need to use this consistently, maybe every week, definitely do that. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one.